don't set out to be a leader, they set out to make a difference. It is never about the role, it's always about the goal. Great leaders don't tell you what they do, they show you how it's done. One of the most important techniques of becoming a better leader is self-reflection. KMS is an institution that has always been framed to take the road less traveled. While giving pure academics the due importance it deserves, KMS is always endeavored to provide its students with opportunities which makes this school so unique.
A very good morning and heartfelt welcome to you all. I, Bhumika, along with my co-host Shivangi, on behalf of the school management, have been given the opportunity to welcome you all in this distinguished virtual investiture ceremony. This ceremony is celebrated every year in a school campus to promote leadership capabilities year after year. It reminds us the trust and confidence that we repose in newly elected cabinet. This virtual investiture ceremony is being celebrated in a grand manner even during these challenging times. Now, I would like to request school choir to give their amazing performance.
Thank you all for such a fantastic performance, and special thanks to our music teacher Ravi sir for preparing students for such a mesmerizing performance. It is rightly said that if your words inspire others to dream more, learn more and do more, then you are a true leader. The principal's hard work may often goes unnoticed, but this amazing leader plays a huge role in the success of teachers, students and staff. I feel privileged to invite our respected principal ma'am to address the members of the student council.
None of us is as smart as all of us. Greetings to everyone. Dear parents, learned staff and my dear students. At the very outset, I extend my heartiest congratulations to the newly elected members of the selected council of this session. Student council is the representative structure for the students only. Through student council, students are involved in the day-to-day affairs of the school. Students work in partnership with school management, staff, and parents for the benefit of school and its students. Henceforth, each member of the student council will have to shoulder responsibility of some areas in school's functioning. As we are facing a lot of challenges due to COVID-19 this year, hence I hope that student council will soon work out some new initiatives for this calendar year. At this moment, I am reminded of the profound words by American entrepreneur, author, and motivational speaker Jim Rohn. The challenge for each one of you as leaders is to be strong but not weak, be kind but not rude, be bold but not bully, be thoughtful but not lazy, be humble but not timid, be proud but not arrogant, have humor but without foolishness. The major challenges in this field will be decision making, dealing with close friends, taking up issues of concern with the school authorities, and implementing your valuable suggestions. But I am sure that you will deal with these in a judicious manner for the benefit of all. It is expected that you will discharge your duties sincerely through responsible behavior and exhibit your ability to stand for the student's voice. You will be required to set an example of an ideal student before your fellow students, because you cannot just show your badge of authority and expect them to do what you do not practice yourself. You will also have to strike a balance between your additional responsibilities, your academics, co-curricular activities, and sports. That is where your leadership qualities will be put to test. Of course, we will always be there to guide you in your new role. Play your part at its best and take school to new heights. This new role will hone your leadership skills and help you in shaping your future as well. Thank you.
I just want to share my sincerest thanks to you, ma'am. It has not been an easy transition for any of us, but your leadership and positive attitude have helped us pull through. Thank you so much, ma'am. The role of a teacher in a young student's life goes beyond just education. They are a leader, a role model, a coach, an advisor, and a facilitator of positive growth.
Now it's time to call upon our house in charges. Great leaders harness personal courage, capture the hearts and minds of others, and empower new leaders to make this world a better place. Now I welcome Ms. Seema Manocha ma'am from the Gandhi House to apprise the duties of her house. Over to you, ma'am.
Greetings to all. I, Seema Manocha, PGT Chemistry, would like to take this opportunity to thank our principal, Vandana ma'am, for entrusting me and making me in charge of the Gandhi House. We all know that Gandhiji always believed in non-violence, peace, truth, and communal harmony, with a view to continue his legacy and inculcate his values in this generation. We have our very own Gandhi House. Before proceeding any further, I would like to introduce the members of this house to all of you. The house is headed by a team of able teachers and the student leaders comprising of my co-teacher, Mrs. Vandana Tyagi, Mrs. Pushpita, the house captain Shambhavi Jha, the vice house captain Bhaskar, and the prefects of the house Himani Shukla, Tanu, Gunjita, Chetna, Diksha, Arzu Parmar, and Ishanagar. Our house promises to promote the teachings and principles of Gandhiji. As rightly said by Gandhiji, be the change you want to see in the world. We believe in starting at home and being the torch bearers of the value and vision by Gandhiji. Gandhi House strongly believes in inculcating the values of true patriotism in every student. The term patriotism does not mean defending the country at the borders alone. If we are fulfilling our duties toward the nation, following all the laws of the land, paying due taxes in time, following traffic rules, helping the needy, contributing in spreading literacy, helping in saving the environment, etc. We are doing patriotic activities. We will thus attempt to make students patriotic in a real sense. Now, we will take oath. We, the newly elected Students' Council of Kamal Model Senior Secondary School do solemnly pledge in the presence of God and this assembly to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our institution and to be honest and true to the core values that it stands for. We promise to carry out the duties and responsibilities entrusted to us with courage and conviction, and above all to uphold the integrity of our school. We hereby affirm that we will always honor the faith and trust reposed in us and work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige and glory of our school. We do. Yes, we do.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your team members will do their best. What makes the Superman a hero is not that he has power, but that he has the wisdom and the maturity to use that power wisely. Now, I would like to call Ms. Suman Rajyan ma'am from Vivekanand House apprise duties and responsibilities of her house.
Vivekanand House, as the name indicates, this house is being inspired from Swami Vivekanand. Everyone knows that Swami Vivekanand has always been an idol for the literates of the country. He wanted to maintain the purity of Indian heritage and give nation a new identity. The yellow color of the Vivekanand House is the symbol of hope, friendship as well as fellowship. It also depicts wisdom, which teaches all the students to be wise and to treat everyone equally and to be kind to everyone on the earth. The motto of Vivekanand House is Heights creates the imaginations. We emphasize that all the students must inculcate high imaginations with creativity. The Vivekanand House shall perform the following duties on rotation. First, to promote the welfare of the students. Second, to manage morning assemblies. Third, to maintain better relationship between teachers and students. Fourth, to develop the feeling of greater school spirit among the students. Thank you. We, the newly elected student council of Kamal Model Senior Secondary School do solemnly pledge in the presence of God and this assembly to abide by rules and regulations that govern our institution and to be honest and true to the core values that it stands for. We promise to carry out the duties and responsibilities entrusted to us with courage and conviction, and above all to uphold the integrity of our school. We hereby affirm that we will always honor the faith and trust reposed in us and work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige and glory of the school. We do.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your team will be liable to their duties. People ask the difference between a leader and a boss. The leader leads while the boss drives. Now, I would like to call Miss Vinita Saraswat ma'am from the Subhash House to apprise the duties of her house. Over to you, ma'am.
A very warm and pleasant morning to all present here. I really feel honored, privileged to represent my house as an in charge. The house which is named after the great leader Subhash Chandra Bose. The principles and the values of Subhash Chandra Bose are the pillars on which our house is established. So first of all, I would like to introduce the members of my house or Subhash House. My co-in-charge, Mrs. Anju Wadhwa ma'am.
In charge from 6th to 8th, Miss Priyanka Arora.
Payal Kaushik, class 12th, house captain. Sharad, class 11th, vice house captain. Now, the prefects, the house prefects. Sakshi Sinha, class 12th. Surbhi Dwivedi, class 11th. Divyanka, class 10th. Vaibhav, class 9th. Sachin, class 8th. And Soma, class 7th. Gunjan Punia, class 6. So these are the prefects of Subhash House. Now I would like to share the dignified key duties of the house. For so many years, our teachers, seniors have made us proud by preserving the honor of Subhash House. So we, the members of Subhash House, will definitely follow the footsteps and thumbnails of the great leader Subhash Chandra Bose. The essence of great leadership is influence, not authority. We believe in teamwork. We promise that we will keep our personal issues and interest away from our duty. Our school is a temple of learning, and we, the members of the Subhash House, will respect the dignity and preserve the glory of the school. A leader should have a vision. So we too have the members of Subhash House. That is to provide our school an approachable leadership where you feel free, where you are free to voice your opinions and concerns. So with that, I hope that all members of my house or Subhash House will agree with me. Now I would like to have an oath, a pledge, which the members of the house will repeat with me. We, the newly elected Students' Council of Kamal Model Senior Secondary School, do solemnly pledge in the presence of God and this assembly to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our institution and to be honest and true to the core values and that it stands for. We promise to carry out the duties and responsibilities entrusted to us with courage and conviction, and above all to uphold the integrity of our school. We hereby affirm that we will always honor the faith and trust reposed in us and work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige and glory of our school. We do. Yes, we do.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your team members will perform the duty in the best possible manner. A genuine leader is not a searcher for consensus, but a molder of consensus. Moving ahead, I would like to call Ms. Divya Bhardwaj ma'am from the Nehru House to apprise the duties and responsibilities of her house.
I, Divya Bhardwaj, as a house in charge, along with my co-in-charges, Mrs. Priyanka Mishra and Mrs. Meenakshi Gautam, welcome you all. Nehru House, the Nehru House. We all know that our former Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, had a vision of a skilled, smart, strong and successful India. He had a dream of making India the golden sparrow once again. The orange house is the symbol of Nehru House, which represents his ideology and dreams to make our country self-dependent. No doubt, there is an orange fire in every Indian, and I must say in every student, to make our country the world's best country, and we all respect that. This house has those minds of the country who will represent the Nehru House. The orange color of our tricolor represents courage and sacrifice given by our martyrs of our nation. In order to give them all a tribute, Nehru House is ready to serve their duties to you all. So, we will prove to be the front warriors for fulfilling our duties towards the school. Jai Hind. We, the newly elected Students' Council of Kamal Model Senior Secondary School do solemnly pledge in the presence of God and this assembly to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our institution and to be honest and true to the core values that it stands for. We promise to carry out our duties and responsibilities entrusted to us with courage and conviction, and above all, to uphold the integrity of our school. We hereby affirm that we will always honor the faith and trust reposed in us and work selflessly.
We do. Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your team members will take their responsibility from the depth of their heart. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. I would like to call the club in charge of the English Talkies, Miss Seema Sunil ma'am, to apprise the duties of her club members. Over to you, ma'am.
Greetings to all. I, Seema Sunil Kumar, along with my colleagues Dolly ma'am and Manjita ma'am, is here to introduce our club, the English Talkies. English Talkies, a club having an endeavor to meet the needs of taking English to the next level. English is not just about vocabulary and grammar. It has minds, feelings, emotions, and creations of brilliant minds of the world. Either Shakespeare or Jane Austen, they all have made English a beautiful language and a base for the modern world. Our club aims to create an English-rich environment in school through various activities throughout the session. Its objective is to provide opportunities to students to express opinions and to debate issues and thereby create and encourage critical thinking. The main objective of our club is to grow awareness and importance of English among the youth. The English Talkies is the name of the club in honor of English language. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your club members will do their best. हिंदी का सम्मान देश का सम्मान है. हमारी स्वतंत्रता वहाँ है, हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा जहाँ है. राष्ट्रभाषा के बिना राष्ट्र गूंगा है. हिंदी भारतीय संस्कृति की आत्मा है. With this quote, I would like to call the club in charge of the Srijan Club, Miss Rajni Arora ma'am, to apprise the duties and responsibilities of her club.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रजनी अरोड़ा है. मैं हिंदी शिक्षिका विद्यालय के हिंदी क्लब सृजन का परिचय देना चाहूँगी. हिंदी भाषा के सम्मान में बनाए गए सृजन क्लब, जिसका अर्थ है निर्माण करना. इस क्लब में मेरे साथ विद्यालय की शिक्षिकाएं हेमलता मौर्य, पूजा और हरदीप कौर शामिल हैं तथा चुने गए छात्र प्रतिनिधियों के रूप में सम्मिलित हैं. भाषा के प्रचार प्रसार के लिए यह क्लब प्रतिबद्ध रहेगा. हिंदी भाषा के कौशलों के विकास के लिए इसके माध्यम से विभिन्न गतिविधियों का आयोजन किया जाएगा, जिससे राजभाषा हिंदी के प्रति छात्रों में सम्मान का भाव उत्पन्न हो सके, क्योंकि हिंदी भारतीय संस्कृति की आत्मा है. हिंदी से हिंदुस्तान है, तभी तो हिंदी हमारी शान है. जय हिंद. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, ma'am. We wish your team members all the best for their future endeavors. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computation or algorithm. It is about understanding. Good mathematics is not about how many numbers do you know. It's about how you behave when you don't know. I would like to invite the club in charge of Figuresta, Mr. Karn Arora, to apprise the duties of his club. Over to you, sir.
Greetings to all. Mathematics. It is the science that deals with the logic of shape, quantity and management. Mathematics is all around us in everything we do. It is the building block for everything in our daily lives, like mobile phones, art, money, engineering and even sports. Myself, Karn Arora, representing the Mathematics Club Figurista, with my fellow club members Mr. Sushant Kumar Das, Miss Anamika Bhardwaj and Mrs. Banisha Kathuria. The focus of our club is to develop the interest of each and every child in the subject mathematics and to make sure that we do not leave any stone unturned in the process. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hope your club members will do their duty from the depth of their heart. Science is fun. Science is curiosity. We all have natural curiosity. Science is a process of investing. It is posing questions and coming up with method. The science of today is technology of tomorrow. With this quote, I would like to welcome the club in charge of the Enigma Fortnight, Ms. Swati Gautam ma'am, to apprise the duties and responsibilities of her club.
Good morning to all of you. Today, I am here to introduce you our club, that is the Science Club, and named as Enigma Fortnight. Again, I am saying Enigma Fortnight. Enigma, which in itself explained as the mysterious or difficult to understand. In the same way, science is also in itself mysterious, or we can say difficult to understand. But the four members and the shining stars of this club want to make the science mysterious. We all will try to keep you in touch with the latest discoveries, progress done in the field of science. As all of us know that in the classroom, everything is done in formal artificial and controlled manner. So, the arrival of Science Club is must. Means the arrival of Enigma Fortnight is must. Because this club will provide a platform to each and every student to show his or her free light in the world of science. And then, I am sure science won't be mysterious and it will be answerable to all. And at last, I would like to introduce the co-stars of our science club, and they are Mrs. Vandana Rai, Miss Nisha, Miss Dharamjeet Kaur, and at last but not the least, myself, Miss Swati. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your club members will do a great work. Social science means inventing a certain brand of human we can understand. Science is morally neutral, but social science shows us that some moral codes are better than others. With this, I call the club in charge of Page Turner, Miss Shivani Rawat ma'am, to apprise the duties of her club members.
I, Shivani Rawat, along with my colleagues Ms. Rohini Tripathi, Ms. Sonali Singh and Mansi Sachdeva, going to represent our social science group, the Page Turner. The club representing the history of the modern world, the ancient civilization and everything which the time has in its lap, in the form of pages, pilgrimages, monuments, art, etc. The name of the club is the Page Turner, to turn the every page of the history. It is done with the motive of creating awareness and participation in heritage-related activities. Every member of the Page Turner Club is motivated to participate in heritage conservation and to aware others about its local and global importance in the world. It is designed to involve students in various activities such as learning a craft, museum education and outreach programs, conservations at home and schools, heritage walks, children programs at heritage festivals, making of films and on culture and heritage to make a community of heritage keepers. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your club members will do their best. Commerce is a game of skill which everyone cannot play, and only a few can play very well. And there is no trade or employment, but the young man following it may become a leader. With this quote, I would like to call the club in charge of the Prudential Club, Ms. Rakhi Gupta ma'am, to apprise the duties of her club.
I, Rakhi Gupta, along with my colleague Mrs. Kiran Soni, feels immense pleasure in introducing Commerce Club Prudential in our school. The objective of our club is to develop communication skill and leadership qualities among the students. Our club will provide opportunities to the students to participate in various literary activities. The students will be encouraged to develop and discuss various business plans, as the objective of our club is to make the students face the practical challenges of the current business scenario. The students will present their plan with innovation and creativity, which will help them to become future entrepreneurs. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your club members will do their best. Surplus wealth is a sacred trust which its professor is bound to administer in his lifetime for the good of the community. With these words, I invite the club in charge of Green Panther, Miss Sandhya ma'am, to apprise her club members. Over to you, ma'am.
Greetings to all. Today, I, Sandhya, am here along with my colleagues, Miss Amandeep Basera, Miss Vaishali Sharma, and Miss Renu Arora to represent our eco club named Green Panther. We all live in a scientific world with so many technological advancements around us. Amidst all these developments, one factor which we always tend to forget is our environment, our mother planet. The main aim of establishing this club named Green Panther is to conserve the natural resources, to create eco-friendly environment, and to create awareness of biodiversity conservation among children. Green Panther has the vision for protecting and creating environmental awareness by educating the youth, offering programs and resources for the students. Motivating children to keep their surrounding green and clean by undertaking afforestation is a part of our mission. Students would be educated to spread the awareness among public so as to stop the indiscriminate dumping and burning of waste. Through this club campaign against many unwanted practices could be launched successfully. Action-based activities like plantation, cleanliness drives would be undertaken by our young leaders. We, the members of Green Panther, look forward to build up a green and clean environment for our future generation. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your club members will take their responsibility with a great zeal. Computers are incredibly fast, accurate, and stupid. Humans are incredibly slow, inaccurate, and brilliant. Together, they are powerful beyond imagination. With this quote, I would like to invite the club in charge of the debuggers, Mr. Swapan Kapuria sir, to apprise the duties of his club.
Hello everybody, greetings to all. Our club name is Debugger Club. Basically, it is a club which will keep us updated about computer technology time to time. In this corona pandemic, we all rediscovered the word technology, using which we all meet virtually when the whole world was locked at home. Starting from Zoom to Microsoft Teams, our students and teachers are always one step ahead using technology. Moreover, our students are doing various activities at their home and showcasing their talent through newsletter of their respective classes. So, this time we have formed this club comprising of 7 students and the co-in-charges Mrs. Kanchan Prabha, Mrs. Sheetal Miglani, Ms. Shanti Singh, along with me, Mr. Swapan Kapuria. Hope that we all together will keep the technological fulfillment in the coming year. Thanks to all.
Thank you, sir. Hope your club members will be liable to their duties. A language is not just words, it's a culture, a tradition, a unification of a community, a whole history that creates what a community is. It's all embodied in a language. With these lines, I invite the club in charge of Francophone, Ms. Simranjeet Kaur ma'am, to assign the duties and responsibilities. Over to you, ma'am.
I am Simranjeet Kaur, the in charge of the Francophone Club. The Francophone Club is a group of students who came together to explore and celebrate the Francophone culture. We aim to create a unified group of students who share their passion for the French language and are willing to create an environment to foster advancement in the language skills and inclusivity of Francophone people and culture. We aim to engage students in programs related to the French language and the culture of Francophone, that is the French-speaking countries, in order to broaden their international knowledge and understanding. We hold activities to celebrate French holidays and special events while growing to know each other and learn the French language in a better way. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your club members will give importance to their club. Bhashasu mukhya madhura, divya givan bharti, tasyan hi kavyan madhur, tasmadapi subhashitam. Means Sanskrit is sweet and beautiful and the core of the subhashit. With this quote, I would like to invite the club in charge of the Navalokam, Miss Meenakshi Popli ma'am, to apprise the duties and authorities of her club.
नमो नमः। मैं मीनाक्षी पोपली कमल मॉडल विद्यालय की संस्कृत अध्यापिका संस्कृत नव आलोकम क्लब में आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। संस्कृत नव आलोकम क्लब छात्रों में छुपी प्रतिभा को निखारने का निरंतर प्रयास करता है। यह एक माध्यम है जिसके द्वारा संस्कृत भाषा छात्रों को गतिविधि के द्वारा रुचिपूर्ण ढंग से समझाई जा सके। छात्र भी निरंतर इन गतिविधियों में भाग लेकर अपनी कलात्मक एवं बौद्धिक शक्ति का परिचय देते हुए निरंतर नए नए आयामों तक पहुंच रहे हैं और उसको सरल तरीके से समझने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, ताकि विश्व की सभी भाषाओं की जननी संस्कृत भाषा को वे अपने आधुनिक रूप में आगे ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचा सकें। क्योंकि संस्कृत भाषा देववाणी कही जाती है, यह बहुत ही सरल और मधुर भाषा है और इसका प्रचार प्रसार करना ही हमारे नव आलोकम क्लब का उद्देश्य है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your club members will fulfill their duties from the core of their heart. Art is something that makes you breathe with a different kind of happiness. The aim of art is not to represent the outward appearance of things, but their inward significance. With these lines, I would like to invite the club in charge of the 360-degree Creativity Club, Ms. Hemlata Rastogi ma'am, to apprise the duties of her club. Over to you, ma'am.
Myself, Hemlata Rastogi, art and craft teacher at Kamal Model Senior Secondary School, and my co-teachers are Mr. Das Trilok Singh sir, who is a music teacher, and Mr. Deepak sir, who is a dance teacher. Fine arts are the fundamental of creativity through the mind, body and soul. Fine arts education is a composition of strong emotional beliefs and the bond with canvas, pencil and colors. The school create pressure on students' test scores, where fine arts education can be stress relieving solution for the students' mind by motivating and encouraging them to paint their work with passion. Music and dance are also the part of creative art to express love and emotions that is just good for the soul. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope your club members will do their best. A leader is one who lights the path to the impossible and takes those who follow to great heights. It's an injustice to proceed to the event without calling upon our wings of flight, a pillar of strength and a constant source of motivation. We cordially invite our academic director, Ms. Pramila Mishra ma'am, to kindly administer oath to the office bearers. Over to you, ma'am.
I, Mukul Kaushik,
I, Shivani Pandey,
I, Kunal Garg.
I, Pragati Verma.
I, Satyam God.
I, Shruti Sinha.
Promise.
Promise.
I'll serve.
I'll serve.
I'll serve.
My fellow students and school sincerely.
My
fellow students and sincerely.
I'll
I'll
endeavor to be
to be
a perfect role model
a perfect
role model
of discipline.
of discipline.
I'll
I'll
actively take part in all school activities
in all activities
and endeavor
and endeavor
to bring
to bring
laurel and glory to it
glory to it
as a
head boy,
Head girl.
vice head boy,
Vice head girl.
sports captain.
Vice sports captain.
I'll uphold loyalty
I'll uphold loyalty
to the traditions
to the tradition
and ethos of the school.
and ethos of the school.
I vow
Vow
That
that
I'll do my best
I'll do my best
to maintain discipline
to maintain discipline
students
among students
and carry out
and carry out
all the duties
all the duties
entrusted to me.
to me.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for sparing your valuable time. A great leader possesses a clear vision, is courageous, has integrity, honesty, humility, and clear focus. Great leaders help people to reach their goals. They are not afraid to hire people that might be better than them and take pride in the accomplished merits of those they help along the way. Now, I would like to invite a head boy, Mukul Kaushik, to address the members of Student Council.
Good morning everyone. Myself Mukul Kaushik. I would like to thank everyone for supporting me to acquire this prestigious and responsible post. Today, we the Students' Council have been given our duties and responsibilities which we all have to accomplish during this session. Today, we have been given our badges and posts, but we must remember that we don't have to stop here only. I always remember a quote said by Spider-Man in Marvel, that is, with great powers comes great responsibilities. Today, we have taken charge of our powers, and now the path of success is waiting for us. I am sure that we all have the potential to achieve success, and surely we can do it. Our main motive will be to maintain the prestige and decorum of our school for which it is known. I am very happy that we have got a chance to do something for our school. So now we are the team ready for our work. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thanks, Mukul Kaushik. Hope you will carry out your duties and responsibilities from the core of your heart. A true leader has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others. With these words, I would like to invite a head girl, Shivangi Pandey, to propose vote of thanks.
With those words, today I, Shivangi Pandey, the head girl of our esteemed school, would like to extend my sincere and heartfelt gratitude towards our Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. V.P. Tandon, our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Vandana Tandon Ma'am, our Academic Director, Pramila Mishra Ma'am, our Academic Coordinator, Pushpa Jindal Ma'am, all the coordinators, teachers and all the students who made this event a great success and gave the chance to students to be a part of the Student Council. I am sure that all the members of the council would leave no stone unturned when it comes to fulfilling their duties and will cherish this opportunity forever. At last, I would just like to say that there is great strength in all of you. No one can wipe your destination, leave alone ordinary things of life. Even the great mountains cannot bar your path. You, my friend, are stronger than the sun. Thank you.
Thanks, Shivangi Pandey. Hope you will be liable to your duties. Now, I request everyone to please stand up for National Anthem.